Hello, my dear children. How are you all? Hope you are all fine, safe, and sound. This is the first module of today's session. So far, we discussed about what is series, what is pandas, how to install pandas, how to do series programs using PyDroid. Today, I am giving another example for doing mathematical functions using series. Look at the example given that we already discussed. Import pandas as PD. PD is the alias name. S1 equals, we are creating a series of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with the indices A, B, C, D, E. Then another series S2 with the values 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and the indices A, B, C, D, E again. The third series with the values 5, 14, 23, 32. The values given, the index given are A, B, C, D. How to add two series? It is very easy. S1 plus S2. My dear children, in both of the series, we are having 5 values. So, it is easy to add two values together. 1 will be added to 10, 2 will be added to 20, 3 will be added to 30, 4 will be added to 40 and 5 will be added to 50. Then, now we can look at the output, how the output will be, that we can check it out now. We will get 11, 22, 33, 44 and 55 as the result of the first print statement. The next one, S2 plus S3. What happens here? The series S1 having only 5 values, S2 also having 5 values, but S3 having 4 values only. Here we are trying the elements which are not matching their count. That is S2 having 5 values, S3 having only 4 values. Now, what will be displayed in the output? Let me give the output now. While adding two series, if non-matching indices in the any of the series, then none, N-A-N, none will be printed to the corresponding non-value indices. That is, the first 4 values will be added. For the last, that is for the final value, none will be printed. Why? Because the values count doesn't match each other. My dear children, if we are trying to add two series, we should be aware about the total number of elements in both of the series must be same. Otherwise, we will get NaN, non-value. Look at the next. S2 dot add of S3 comma fill value 0. Here we are filling the non-matching indices with the 0. S3 doesn't have the 5th value. So we are trying to fill the value with a 0. S2 dot add. Add function is used for adding two series. So S2 dot add S3 comma fill value 0. If there is no matching row, then what happens? The interpreter automatically fill the value as 0. So what happens? Instead of getting none, we will get any integer value. Now look at the example output. What is the fifth value we are having in S2? Yes, it is 50. So while we are trying to add 50 with the 0, we will get 50 only. That is why if non-matching index is found in either of the series, then this non-matching index corresponding value of that series will be filled as 0. My dear children, this is a best example for knowing how to do the mathematical expressions or operations in any of two series. The next we are going to discuss is head and tail function is series. As we are all studied any of the data structure in Python having its own definite functions. Functions are mainly given for what? For the easiness of writing programs. Here the series having head and tail function for getting the rows. The head function is used to access the first 5 rows of a series. We can use head of 3, head of 4, head of 2, head of 1 as according to our wish for getting the number of rows from the series. It will take the rows from the very first row. I am giving an example. Import pandas as PD, import numpy as np. Either you can use numpy or dictionary, whatever you want. So here we are trying to create an array with a numpy dot array of. Array of function is given for creating a list of values. Here we had given many values like 10, 15, 18, 22, 55, 77, 48, 42 and 97. My dear children, what is the index of 10? Yes, it is 1. What is the index of 15? Let me correct the sentence. What is the index of 10? It is 0, 15 1, 18 2, 22 3, 55 4, like that it goes on till 97. So index of 10 will be 0. Then how to create a series using array? PD.series or pandas.series of the given array. So S become a series. Then look at the first print statement. Print S dot head of. Now let us check the output of that particular statement. Print S dot head of. So the result of S dot head become what? The indices along with the elements, 5 elements. So 0 to 4 indices. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 elements or 5 rows it will print. Or the head of function will take the first 5 rows. Look at the next print statement. Print of head of 3. Print of head of 3. So what happens? It will take only the first 3 rows. So what will be the output? 0, 1, 2. And its corresponding values, that is 10, 15 and 18. My dear children, I am going to wind up this module. The further detailing will be in upcoming modules. Thank you.